Hello and welcome to my video demonstration for the installation of Python and the Netmiko library within Python. So I've gone ahead and I've gone to the python.org's download page. So I'm going to go ahead and click the link to download Python, and here it's already downloaded. So I'll go ahead and I'll open the file from right here. Now once I open the file, I need to check a couple of boxes here to add the path and to use the admin privileges when installing it. And then I'm going to go ahead and customize the installation. Under the optional features, I want to make sure all of these boxes are checked. I'll click next, and I need to make sure that Python is installed for all users here, and I'll go ahead and install it. Now this might take a few minutes to install. We'll see how it goes. I'll pause the recording. Okay, so I paused the recording for a minute, and we've gotten to the finish page, or the verification showing that setup was indeed successful. So I'm going to go ahead and close this window, and I'm going to just make sure that everything installed right. So I'm going to go and enter the command prompt, and I'll do that by typing CMD in my search box down here in the bottom left for Windows. And I'm going to open this administrator mode, so I need to right click on command prompt and then run as administrator. And once I do that, I can go ahead and see if Python's working. And all I got to do is type Python in my command window, and it did indeed show that Python 3.13.4 is installed. So I'm going to exit out of Python by just typing quit followed by the open and close parentheses. Let me get that T in there. Okay, so now I'm back to my Windows command, and I'm going to install Netmiko now. The command for that is pip install Netmiko. And this might take a second, so I'll go ahead and pause the recording again. Nope, it didn't take that long. So it went ahead and installed it. So now I want to test and make sure Netmiko works. So in order to do that, I'm going to go back into Python, and I'm going to type import Netmiko. And for this to work, I would expect this command to take successfully. And since I did not get an error, Netmiko is indeed installed. I'm going to close this, and I'll drag over a image. Now if for some reason this did not work right, you would not be able to either get into Python, which means you'd have to reinstall Python, or if you type import Netmiko and the Netmiko library is not properly installed, you'll get this error right here that says module not found error, no module named Netmiko. I hope this has been helpful for you, and thanks for watching.